What's up, guys? I'm going to show you guys how to remove the bumper on this 22 Rav4. So first, when removing this bumper, you want to find out if you have these rear sonar sensors in your bumper, and if you do, you need to disconnect the connector that's right there on the passenger rear of the vehicle. Disconnect that, and then there's a 10 mil right there. You have to take that one out, and then that clip there, and that clip. After you get the lower 210s out and clips and disconnect your electrical connector if needed, you want to come up into the fender well and then disconnect this clip here, and then take this 10 mil out, and then there's a clip right here. So there's two clips in a 10 you need to take out in the fender well on both sides, and then we can pull this trim piece off right here. Now after you have the two clips out and the 10 out of this trim piece, you're just going to reach, kind of pull out behind this here and work your fingers around to the back side right here, because there's a clip that goes through the bumper here, 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 and then there's some push clips up here. But once you kind of break this one free, it just kind of pulls all the way off. So just start at the bottom and then slowly pull it until you get up here. This is what it looks like with the trim piece off. So this is where they go through at the bumper, and then here's where your smaller push clips are. And so when you're reaching around, you're trying to grab right behind this and pull straight out, and then right there. And then the rest of this will just kind of pop off with it. You don't want to do a twisting motion because these will break off if you try to twist it. After you get that trim piece off, there's a clip right behind, so you want to take that out on both sides. And then after that, you can come up here and right by the tail light, just pull this straight out. And there's a 10 right there. You want to take that 10 out, and then the same on this side. After you get those upper 10s out, the last one you have to get is these Phillips screws right here. There's one on each side. You take those out. Now to actually pull this bumper off, you're going to grab right down in here, because there's a clips that go right here, and then there's some back here. So pop it out right here by just pulling straight out. That, and then you want to do that to the other side over here. Now the last spot, you'll just grab here and on the edge, because there's one last clip right here, and then one on this side, and then the bumper will come off. If you guys are installing a hitch, you might check out my next video. I'll leave a link for that. Otherwise, I'll catch you next time.